Hey guys, it's Amber here with eTrailer, and today we're going to talk about flat tow vehicle maintenance schedules. So you know that you have to do your typical maintenance on your vehicle after so many miles or after so much time, but how is that affected when you're flat towing your vehicle behind your motorhome? We're going to take a look at that today. So one of the most common questions when it comes to flat towing a vehicle is, does my vehicle accrue miles when it's being flat towed? The answer is generally no. Most vehicles since the early 2000s have adopted an electronic odometer rather than a manual odometer, and that's only going to accrue miles when your engine is running, not when your wheels are running. So in most cases, if your car is newer, and by newer I mean anytime since the early 2000s, it's not going to accrue miles when you're flat towing. And if it is accruing miles after you get done flat towing, it's probably because you missed a step somewhere when you were setting your vehicle up in tow mode. So you probably should go back and check and see what you might have skipped there. When you're driving your RV, you want to keep track of the miles driven, so you know how many miles are being put on your towed vehicle, in addition to keeping track of the driven miles that are going to be recorded on your odometer. And the reason for that is you want to know how many miles in total are going on your vehicle so you know when to maintenance it. Because even though there's not miles being recorded on your vehicle, you're still getting invisible miles and wear and tear on your vehicle itself. So your tires and wheels and anything else that's moving or being used while being towed, you're still going to need to maintenance those things. Even though your vehicle isn't accruing miles when flat towed, your tires definitely are. They're rolling behind your motorhome that entire time, so you want to keep track of your driven miles and your towed miles and rotate your tires accordingly. So about every 5,000 miles, you want to rotate out your tires, and that's driven and towed miles combined, so that your front tires aren't wearing out too fast, because they do wear out faster than your rear tires. And just like any long trip, you want to check your tires before you go to make sure they're properly aired up, and you want to replace them every 6 years or whenever they're worn, just like you would normally. Your brakes are going to apply themselves while you're flat towing your vehicle down the road, so it's likely that they will wear out faster than they normally would if you were just driving. So you will want to change those regularly when your brake pads are about 3 millimeters thick, or whenever you're hearing that telltale squeaking sound, you definitely want to get those changed. Another bit of maintenance is the lubrication of your front end. So you want to lubricate your steering and suspension components and grease your bearings every other oil change to be safe, or at least every 2 to 3. Another bit of maintenance is your transmission fluid. You want to change it regularly according to your owner's manual. Some owner's manuals do have specific recommendations for flat towing, such as topping off your fluid before you flat tow or changing it every 30,000 miles. And that's because even though your transmission is disconnected when you're flat towing, typically the components, some of them still move, some of them can still get hot, like your pump or your torque converter, and that can break down the fluid over time. So you just want to listen to whatever your owner's manual says, whether it's regular fluid maintenance or if it's specific to flat towing. Just whenever it says to change your transmission fluid, that's what you should do. The last thing we're going to talk about is your oil changes, and you want to just look at your driven miles, not your flat towed miles for this, and that's because your engine isn't running while you're flat towing, so it's really not going to affect anything while you're flat towing. So just listen to whatever your owner's manual says, change your oil regularly according to that, and you should be good. And that's all the maintenance tips that we have for you today. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below. We are only a click or a call away. If you guys like that video, go ahead and check out our next video from us up here. Go ahead and check out an article about what you just watched over here if you want to read more about that topic, or to see the rest of the videos that our team here at eTrailer puts out, go ahead and subscribe to our channel over here.